Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same. It's not bad. Oh, no. Why started? We can still go. Hi guys, here's me, Anna, and just getting back to all of this work that's supposed to be done, having the huge plans for this year, this upcoming year, and I am back, and I am glad that I'm back just to go here and use strategies with a bunch of indicators. So let us try it. And we're gonna get started. I'm a little bit freezing sitting right here because AC was actually working during the whole night and it's completely freezing here. So don't mind it if I'm gonna be just like that. 10 seconds is gonna be the period for the candles. We're starting with the Keltner channel and that's gonna be Vortex as the second one and one more. I think we will get one more. Here we are with the vortex period. So I am not promising that that's gonna be easily working. No, I think we gotta leave it just like that. Keltner channel, vortex, and we're gonna be starting. Just decided to take a risk, just decided what we can actually get from it. So let us try. Okay, and we're going and changing the whole sum that we're gonna be spending and investing. Here we are with the answers. We don't have the question because why? Seems like and feels like that's gonna be just a downward trend because that's the peak point, because this is the high point. But you can see right here quite perfectly that actually we've been rising for a long and slowly. And you know, in most of the cases like that, I go with the same direction, with the same tendency. What about the vortex? Let's talk about the indicators. The lines were on a distance, but that wasn't the biggest one. And you know, if we cannot see that this is the biggest, really big distance, we don't expect massive changing. So here we are, as you may see, there was the long rising. So we had like the long distance of the vortex line, and that was correct, of the vortex line being kind of parallel but not that wide. And if I'm being honest, more than indicator, I've been checking all that theory that okay, if I'm going slowly, I'm gonna be continuing doing that because again, with the Keltner channel, we had no signals from one hand. From the other hand, there is actually a signal. If you cannot see that it's going to be the change in, the Keltner channel is stable, so maybe we're going to be keeping up with this tendency. It's not bad. Oh, second one. We're going to go second one. I'm going to be making it already bigger, and you can see it. The vortex lines, it actually got to crossing already. Now we go for the third one, but we started when we saw these two. It's not being nice, it's not being stable, and I do believe that we're gonna be, I don't know, it's kind of also, once again, it's kind of complicated because I don't know, I think we started the downward trend. And that was kind of visible. You can see that with the Keltner channel before, so that's kind of the peak right here. But oh no, why started? I was kind of focused on this, on this small image of it. We're actually having the big downward trend. That's it. I was making it up. I was actually looking for the what is that? Looking for the answers, but here we are with the answer. We're gonna be keeping up with the tendency because this is the long and slowly trend, and we're gonna be going to the same place. This is it, and there is nothing else to do with the vortex and the Keltner channel right here, and that's sad. That's honestly sad. Look at this. I don't know why, but we are with the same situations all over the places. I think you're gonna be still getting downward. Let's check it out. Actually, the same thing, and you may see that the vertex line are on the distance. That's maybe the okay distance for us, but still, I think we're gonna be keeping up. No, it's still not. We do expect it. When we go that downward or that upward, we expect the bottom, we expect the border, but that expectation sometimes just misguiding us. If that with such a small candles and such a smooth movements, we can still go, and go. Because actually it's not such a big level. We don't go drastically, we go slowly, and that's okay because we can keep it up like that for quite a long time. What is this? What is this? We're raising and making it, ooh, and just making it. Look at this vortex. That touching. We hate it. Officially, we can actually admit it. We hate it. That's the announcement. Because you need to cross. That's gonna be okay. Right there, you can see it. It was the upward trend. It is, unfortunately, the upward trend, but it's not like smooth. You can see that actually we have some jump-ins. We have some long candles, so it is getting kind of crazy. So why should we go in and keep it up quite steady? Not gonna happen. Of course, there could be anything, and I must say maybe Kelvin China with this period, that's a little bit useless. It's a little bit useless, and I don't like this red line of the vortex trying to get upward. No, this is it. This is it. And my suggestion, and these type of strategies, when indicators showing nothing, you better go and see the whole chart. That's going to be kind of helpful. That's going to be maybe the most useful thing in that type of strategies. Okay, how about this one? That was risky, but I think we're gonna be keeping up. Let us check it. There is nothing else I can say because I was just making the decision like that, but I want us to see the result of it. Oh, I kind of knew that. I knew it, or that's going to be with a letter, or that's going to be kind of small one. That is the second risk that we are having. Even if you had the drastic rising and kind of long and maybe really rapid one, 7,000, we cannot go with the same, smoothness. And there's the risks, or we're going to go in with this letter, or we're going to go like this, then getting upward and then getting downward. Here is really positive because this is the letter situation, but with the kind of keeping up, at the same level. So be kind of, you just have a lot of the pictures in your brain that is unfolding. When you see the situation, you're like, okay, that may be this, and this. What is going to be the option? And I need to do that quickly and make the bet. Maybe that was the big mistake. And I think we really needed that third indicator because I decided to go with these two and I was complaining, I wasn't satisfied, and I wasn't making mistakes, thanks God. But anyway, it's not so informative. So don't go with the two indicator strategies. That's my advice.